Welcome to Milk and Honey Heritage Farms, and I'm Heather. Thank you so much for being here. So I'm doing a collaboration called Building Skills 26, hosted by Linda at Another Time, Tammy at Mountain Grandma, and who else was hosting that? Shoot, I'll have to add that in a second. But so what I'm doing is I am adding a farm stand to my homestead. And with this farm stand, I am going to repurpose one that was given to me and just kind of upgrade it and add my own personal touches to it. So this is what it currently looks like. I don't want to keep it red and white, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to be staining over the top of the white with stain to darken the wood. So, and then I have red that I painted my chicken coop. So I will retouch up the red, but it's a different shade of red that I like better, and it'll just brighten that up. This will be the outside of the farm stand. And then up on the tops, I'm going to put in some vintage windows. And this is the rooftop, which I'm going to tear apart and redo and get rid of this board because it would have to have roof fabric on it and tiles or something like that. So what we're going to do instead is put tin. So we're going to frame it in really nicely and put tin for the roof. And then this is the inside, and what I will be doing is putting a shelf across the top that sticks out so far, and then I'm going to tier shelves that extend out further so people will walk in and have everything there. And then I'll probably have some hooks and things like that, maybe one wooden shelf going across the window on the back side. So I know that was a lot to say, but that is my little project. And I did start staining part of it so you could see it. With what I did stain so far, it just kind of makes it look a little more weathered. So I'll probably put another coat or two on it and see if I like it or not. If I end up not liking it, I may get like a chocolate colored paint to paint it. So it would be kind of what I wanted was like a dark stained wood with the red, which looks to me really good, and I'll show you what it looks like on my chicken coop. All right, so here's my chicken coop, and see how the wood is stained darker. I think that looks really nice together, and if you have black hardware, it just kind of ties everything together. And so there's that. And then the placement of where the farm stand is going to go is not your normal roadside farm stand. So the farm stand could go outside the gates up there, but for now we're going to give it a try and have specific hours on specific days that the gates will be open and people will have to drive in on the driveway, toot, 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 toot. And while your car is driving, right where that fire pit is going to be where the farm stand will sit. So when you drive in, that's the first thing that you see, and that's where it's going to be. So let's get started on working on the farm stand and getting that put together.